So instead of kind of going through the process of actually prepping a whole bowl of rice and deal with that sort of cooking, measuring water, something like this, it's more of a just throw in the microwave, wait 2 minutes, throw onto your plate. But $2.50 just for the rice portion of your meal, it's not necessarily awesome. So if budget is a concern, I probably wouldn't lean towards stuff like this and stick more so with the bulking kind of big boxes of rice.